All right, so how do you do this lab? So this is the first page, which you already saw. Your job is to arrange the pieces in their proper places. If you click, you go to the second page, this explains phase changes for the moon. How does it change? Why does it change? And what do those phases look like as it's changing? So this third page is blank on mine because this is where this video will go. So now you're watching this video and it's going to show you what to do on the next slide. On the next slide, your job, and you might have to go back to the phase change explanation. You have to figure out what would the moon look like at position 2, at position 3, at position 4. You have this diagram of the Earth. Each of these are clickable, and you're going to move them around. Okay, and your job is to put the name and the actual picture of what the moon looks like, where it would go. So I'm going to show you the wrong answers. I'm not giving you the right ones here. If I thought that position 2 was this, which would be wrong, okay, I'm going to put it right there. And if I thought that this name right here was a full moon, I'm going to put it next to it. I made them the same size, so you can just put it right underneath each picture if you'd like, however you'd like. But you're going to take each of these and try to match up that. If that is what I think position 3 would be, okay? If I think that this is position 4, so I put it over here. If I think that this is position 5, I'm just going to line it up with whichever one I think is the right answer. These are not the right answers. You have to figure out which ones are the right answers, and you've got to come up with the names that go with that. So you're probably going to have to watch that video 2 or 3 times because I go through and show you what the names of each one are. But your job is to try to figure out if I'm standing on Earth and I'm looking towards like number 1. So if I'm trying to figure out which one is number 1, I can see that light is on the right. I can only see the stuff that's inside of the circle. This is the back side of the moon, so I can't see that. So I've got light on the right, and I'm thinking, is it more than half, less than half, or half? Or the whole thing, or nothing. So this looks like it would be more than half lit up on the right for position 1. So I would take that moon and I would just place it around my diagram so each of the pictures lines up with the proper place in the diagram. So that's your task for this activity, is just to put the pictures in the proper spots with the proper names. Okay, and remember, wax on, wane off. So waning is getting rid of stuff. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.